The youths are quite unrest here in Manipur as well as across the nation.
What is the relationship between SEBI and the Adani Group?
This government at the point of time, right now, has been shying away from instituting JPC. We would like to know that SEBI chairperson herself should have resigned. This is an example of cronic capitalism.
It is all about the Hindenburg report, which have given by the research team of the Hindenburg. In connection with that report, the All India Congress Committee protesting to the different areas in front of the EDs. In Manipur also, the Congress Committee and with all these leaders and the Congress workers protesting in front of the ED here in Imphal. So what we demand is that we are demanding to have a thorough investigation on the matter of this Modi-Adani mega scam. So in these connections, we demand Joint Parliamentary Committee's investigation. It is all about this investigation. There in the investigation, that is the Joint Parliamentary Committee that will include the ruling as well as from the opposition, so that there will be a fair report. So that's why the Congress Party is demanding this Joint Parliamentary Committee investigations. And another thing, the removal of the Madhavi Puri booth. She is the chairperson of the SEBI. So she is also involved in this matter in connection with the huge scam over there in this Modi-Adani mega scam. That's why we demand the removal of the chairperson Shri Madhavi Puri booth. This is also number 2 demand of the All India Congress Committee and also the PCC here demanding. So this is the main this demand, and also it is in fact we can say that it is a sort of high corruption across the nation. So this corruption is very huge, and also it destroys all the interested persons in business like stock exchange, also related things that this Modi-Adani mega scam. So in fact, we demand this thing. The government is not is silent now, and whatever the opposition raise the voice, never this Modi government is not hearing about is the voice of the opposition. The negligence of the voice of the opposition is in fact it's a negligence to the voice of the people of India and particularly the Manipur. That is why we demand this against the government. And this things of this demand is against the government, and also corruption is very rooted in India, and also unemployment is very high. The youths are quite unrest here in Manipur as well as across the nation. That's why the youths are demanding this across the nations from different sections of the youth. They are also demanding the same. And also as a political party, we are demanding for peer investigations about these scheme.
This particular process is as per directive of the All India Congress Committee. Not only Manipur, it's in every state of the entire country in front of the Enforcement Directorate, which is the highest investigating body of the Government of India. So the latest version of the Supreme Court, they said that let us entrust this entire investigation to this SEBI, which is what is the relationship between SEBI and the Adani Group, and the Adani Group and Mr. Modi, Prime Minister of India. So the Congress Party, particularly India Bloc, we demand that this entire throughout organization, let us entrust to Joint Parliamentary Committee, which is the highest body of the investigation agency. This will include not only opposition, ruling party from the NDA, the BJP's MP also. Then it can be find out the truth of the relationship between SEBI and Adani, and this government and this Adani relationship. Mega scam, you know, it's not a small amount, 20,000 crore. So that's why we used to call it a mega scam, Modi mega scam.
We are demanding for instituting joint parliamentary committee to investigate into the Adani mega scheme. We would like to know that why is the Prime Minister still protecting the SEBI chairperson? Why hasn't it been removed? We have seen that affidavits have been filed by the Solicitor General of India in the Supreme Court in the precedent bench, in which the Solicitor General himself has stated that the Union of India will take only 2 more months to complete the entire transactions. SEBI has completed 22 transactions out of 24. Why are the 2 transactions still not yet been completed? So we would like to know that why SEBI hasn't yet completed the last 2 transactions so far, which has been more than many months. So in this scenario, there is no agencies, or there cannot be a proper and unbiased inquiry other than JPC. And we would like to know why the Prime Minister is shielding Adani's scam from being investigated by JPC. There have been many JPCs which have been held earlier at the time of even when Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee was there in the government. But this government at the point of time, right now, has been shying away from instituting JPC. We would like to know that SEBI chairperson herself should have resigned. If she is not resigning, the administrative ministry which is controlling administratively the SEBI, which though is a regulatory body, the finance ministry should have removed her. If the finance minister hasn't removed her, the prime minister should have removed her. That hasn't been done. There has been no JPC. There has been no even completion of the entire transaction, that is the 24 transaction by SEBI. So why it is so? It is not only a mere of 20,000 crore scam, it is more than that. Therefore, this is an example of chronic capitalism. That is why, under the leadership of our Congress President Shri Mallikarjun Kharge ji, Madam Sonia ji, Shri Rahul Gandhi ji, Srimati Priyanka Gandhi ji, and the entire Congress party is protesting today across the country in front of the ED offices. If such scam would have happened in our opposition chief minister or in our opposition Congress former chief minister, the ED or any investigating agencies would have completed the report then and there itself. But in this case, SEBI is yet to complete the entire investigation. They have deliberately left out 2 transactions out of the 24 transactions. We will like to know why, and that why can only be answered when JPC comes into being.